tired, she lay in bed. Please clean the house was all she said. Chikki chirped loud, we'll make it shine. Choo hopped and grinned, the whole house is mine. First in the kitchen they cooked a pot. Chikki dropped candies, oh quite a lot. Choo threw popcorn, it popped everywhere. Jam mixed with noodles flew through the air. The soup turned rainbow, sticky and bright. Exploding bubbles gave them a fright. Then they grabbed mops to clean the floor. Chikki spilled water, oh there's more. Choo slid like ice skates into a chair. Fruit flew up and landed in hair. Next came the laundry, we'll wash it fast. But too much soap, a bubble blast. Bubbles popped high, the room turned white. They couldn't see left, they couldn't see right. Ram woke up and came to see bubble soup and a bubble tail bunny. Her face turned red, her eyes went wide. You too, she shouted, broom at her side. Chikki chirped, we tried our best. Choo squeaked, we just made a mess. Grandma chased them, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Chikki and Choo made a fast bunny chick push. They ran through bubbles, slipped down the hall. Grandma behind them, come back you two now. Out to the garden they zipped and flew, with Grandma still chasing the silliest two.